To use ShopCash in the Shop app, follow these steps. Redeeming ShopCash at checkout. Ensure eligibility. Your order must meet the following criteria. Placed through the Shop app or shop on the web. From a US or Canadian store that accepts ShopPay and uses USD or CAD. Includes a shipping method. Does not contain gift cards, subscriptions, or digital products. Your payment card has a US or Canadian billing address saved in ShopPay. The store isn't a wholesale store. For first-time ShopPay users, the order must total at least 10 USD or Canadian, or $1 or more to redeem ShopCash on your first order. Add items to cart. Browse and select the items you wish to purchase. Proceed to checkout. Tap on your cart and go to checkout. Apply ShopCash. If eligible, your ShopCash balance will appear as a payment option. Complete purchase. Confirm your order details and finalize the purchase. Viewing and managing ShopCash. Check balance. Tap your ShopCash balance in the top right corner of the Shop app. View activity. Tap the clock icon to see your ShopCash activity, including expiration dates. Expiration. ShopCash typically expires 90 days after earning, unless stated otherwise. If you redeem part of your balance, the expiration date for the remaining balance resets from the date of that purchase.